This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable microphone access in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable microphone access in Windows 11, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to my taskbar down here, down to the little start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon. I'm going to go up to where it says Settings and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go down toward the bottom to where it says Privacy and Security and click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down just a little ways down to the App Permissions section, and then the App Permissions section right here, Microphone, you want to click on Microphone. And then at the very top, Microphone Access. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have microphone access when this is on. If you wanted to disable microphone access, you would toggle this off. As you can see, mine's on. Then the next thing down, let apps access your microphone. If you toggle this off, it will disable everything below it from accessing your microphone. If it's toggled on, you can go through here and you can enable or disable browsers or whatever you have here. And down below that, let desktop apps access your microphone. You can toggle that on or off right here. But at the very top, microphone access, if this is toggled off, it disables everything. If it's toggled on, then you can customize everything. That is how to enable or disable microphone access in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.